Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Down South Dusty Classics.
Today we're on the way to go get a new project. Lachlan, what are we getting?
We're getting a 1970 Ford F100.
That's right, 1970 Ford F100. Gonna go out and get it, bring it home, and hopefully start getting to work on it soon. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Okay, I brought Bill with Harold too, but let me get the bin off the wheel real quick. Come over. I gotta get my permanent license. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it around that center frame a couple times, and then hook the cross member. Yeah. This one. Okay. Okay.
We gotta hurry up because the sky is already turning darker. See it? Much darker than before.
We're good, buddy. All right, head that way. You might be able to get it with one chain.
Maybe.
Yeah, get it. Okay, all right, good. Okay.
This side's about to come off the ramp.
Ho, ho, ho. Slow.
This side's like halfway off the ramp.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta, let me kick that side. I'm
We
better.
have to go back
Better
down.
with that side. Now, we got it. All right, come on.
Wind is getting even worse.
Watch yourself.
Oh, something just got in my eye.
Okay, come on. Come on with it. How are we on the other side, Lachlan?
A little bit over the edge.
All right, let me come back this way. Come on with it, a little bit.
I didn't even know this was actually gonna work.
Yeah, come on with it. Go a little bit. Oh. Okay. All right, come on.
Okay, we're good on this side.
Come
And we're
on.
almost there.
Little bit.
Sheesh!
That's good right there. Get a chalk. We need a. This one should be good enough. I'll wrap it around the center frame and wrap it here. And then when we put the straps on the back and pull it back, it'll pull this chain tight. Opened it. Uh-oh. Wind's coming.
Yeah, you can't really notice it on camera, but the winds are pretty powerful. What is that?
Get it.
Noonan Christian
Noonan
School?
Christian Schooling.
Noonan Christian School, 8182.
It's students of the month and students of the week.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. let's get these straps on here. Let's get it strapped in, okay? Before these rains come.
How much of your dad goes awful hard.
All right, so we just stopped at a gas station to get a little bit of gas and checked everything out. Everything's holding up pretty good. So we're gonna finish heading on back home. It got dark on us, but we got plenty of lights on the trailer and everything's doing pretty good. So
It's
we'll
also
see you
stormy.
yes, it's storming too, a lot of rain. So we'll see y'all when we get home. All right, so we made it back home, made it through all the storms okay. So it's still raining a little bit, so we're just going to call it a night. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some time to do a quick walk around of it. But that's going to be it for tonight. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
All right, so we came out here this morning just to take a quick look at the truck, give it a good once over before the boys have to go to school. It's the first day of school today. So we just looked it over real quick. This isn't going to be a quick will it run and drive. The engine is basically just a block and it's filled with dirt and water. So we're gonna have to rebuild the engine. It's missing a steering box and a steering column. So we're gonna have to find that at a junkyard probably, and as well as doing some other work on it. So anyways, that's where we stand on it. We're going to get to work on it and hopefully get it running and driving at some point. And y'all will see when we do. So we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.